Hey there, I just wanted to pop in here real quick and let you know that my signature shooting and editing course and group coaching program, Shoot to Edit, is officially open for 3 more days. And I only open it twice a year. So if you've been on the wait list or are just curious what Shoot to Edit is all about, here's the real quick lowdown. This is the complete A to Z system to mastering highly desirable and profitable natural light photography of people, from what you should be thinking about before you even ever click the shutter, all the way through to that final edit. In it, you'll learn an advanced yet surprisingly simple step-by-step system to see and harness the beauty of natural light, even at the worst times of day. How to prep for shoots to amp your confidence and enable you to give your clients a standout experience, designing your images and compositions with intention and skill like an art director, so that your work grabs the attention of clients, vendors, and editors. Maintaining consistency and getting perfect luminous skin tones every time. Mastering editing so that you can define your own unique style that stands you apart from the crowded market. And that's really just scratching the surface. It covers so much more. So check the link if you're interested. And I also, just before I pop off, wanted to answer some common questions that I'm getting in about the program. The first question is, who is it for? Beginners or advanced photographers? And will it be hard for me to keep up if I'm just getting started? So this is a great question, and the answer is both. For established photographers, this course will really help you build upon what you know and take things to the next level. I've had seasoned pros that are over a decade in business told me that this completely changed the way they shoot. So I have people in the program from anywhere from like a year into business to 5, 10 years into business, and it's designed in a way that will benefit anybody. I do cover a lot of advanced topics, but my secret sauce is breaking things down, like breaking complex things down simply so that anybody can understand. And for my photographers that are just getting started, I also have a full bonus module, which is called the Fast Track Foundations, a bonus module, which will really help you when you're just getting started, get up to speed and jump like light years ahead of your learning curve, so that when you're going through those more advanced modules, you're right there with us and you really understand it all. What genre of photography is Shoot to Edit for? The concepts that I teach inside Shoot to Edit are really universal across all kinds of photography of people utilizing natural light. So this could be portrait photography, senior photography, boudoir photography, lifestyle fashion photography, weddings, really any kind of photography of people that utilizes the most beautiful light we have, which is natural light. The kinds of photography that it may not be for are if you primarily photograph landscapes or product photography, or if you're looking to do a lot of flash photography or in-studio photography as your primary style of photography. What kind of gear is required to join? In order to join Shoot to Edit, you really just need a camera and a lens. For reals. I have students inside my program that use the full gamut of different camera systems, from Sony to Nikon to Canon, Leica even. The concepts I teach are really universal across different camera systems. And if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of gear yet, that's totally fine. The things that I am teaching you are teaching you from the ground level the concepts that you need to create beautiful photography, from really learning how to see and master natural light to really like knowing composition and design on a deep level, and all the way through to the edit. So the concepts that you'll be learning inside Shoot to Edit don't really rely on a certain camera system or a certain lens, though I will be talking a little bit about what I would recommend for that as well. Is it only for light and airy photographers, or will it apply to me even if I have a different editing style? We have all different kinds of photography styles inside the Shoot to Edit community, from dark and moody to bright and airy to vibrant and colorful. And the key thing is, when you really master natural light photography, from the lighting to the shot design to understanding how to edit on a deep level, you can really apply it to any style of photography. So my goal at the end of the day is not to have your work just be a replica of mine, but for you to walk away with your own unique style. And even like in the editing section of the course, the final lesson is all on how to define your own unique style, so that by the end you come away with something that feels like yours. So those are just a few common questions that I've been getting around Shoot to Edit. But if you have any other questions on if it'll be a good fit for you personally, definitely feel free to shoot me an email or pop me a DM at Chelsea Nicole Photo or on Instagram. I'm here to help. Just keep in mind that doors close very soon, this coming Thursday at midnight. I would absolutely love to welcome you into the program. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.